How's it going, guys? I was having an issue when I came out here to barbecue. I was getting low pressure from the tank. At first I thought it was the regulator that was bad, or maybe the hose was plugged up or something, but it turns out it was just the tank. Now if you're getting low pressure from your tank, even though you have it all wide open, you're gonna want to do this. There's a little screw in there. What you're gonna do is you're gonna back it up. And leave it like that for about 10-15 seconds. And you tighten it back up. And that should solve your low pressure issue on the burners. Now, don't back it up all the way, because then it's gonna pop it out and there's gonna be pressure coming out while you try to stick it back in. So make sure you don't back it out all the way, just enough to where it vents a little bit for 10 to 15 seconds, and that should solve your issue. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.